Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a very simple and beautiful flower. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. Take any two color yarn, whichever you like. I'm starting with the orange yarn. First go for slip knot. Crochet 8 chains. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then slip knot through first chain, insert the hook and pull the yarn and make a slip knot. Then chain 4, chain 3 we will count as one double crochet, then chain 1 means total 4 chain, then one double crochet, chain 1, again one double crochet, chain 1, one double crochet, chain 1, total 16 double crochet including the first 3 plus 1 chain, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Then slip stitch, before that chain 1, then slip stitch through the third chain, then chain 1, then in the next chain 1 space, single crochet, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 chains. Then skip the first chain and work into the second chain, one single crochet in each next chain, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 6 single crochet. Then in the next chain 1 space, single crochet, then chain 1, then in next chain 1 space, single crochet, then work 7 chain, skip the first chain and work one single crochet in each 6 chain, then single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 1, again in next chain 1 space, one single crochet, then chain 7, then 6 single crochet, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then in chain 1 space, 1 single crochet, total 8 middle lines we will work. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8. At last slip stitch through the first chain, then chain 1 and cut the yarn, then take the another color with slip knot. We will work in this 6 stitches, 1 from the first stitch, go for chain 1, then in next stitch half double crochet, then in third stitch double crochet, then in fourth stitch again double crochet, then in fifth stitch 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then in sixth stitch 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then in opposite 6 stitches, that is this 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in upper top stitch 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then in next stitch 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then in next stitch 1 double crochet, again 1 double crochet in next stitch, then half double crochet in next stitch, then in last stitch 1 single crochet, then in chain 1 space 1 single crochet, then we will work the same stitches in total 12 stitch. In first stitch single crochet, then in second stitch half double crochet, then in third stitch double crochet, then in fourth stitch double crochet, then in fifth stitch 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then in 6th stitch 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then opposite 6 stitches in first stitch 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then in next stitch 1 double crochet, then half double crochet, then 1 single crochet, then in chain 1 space single crochet. Work the same stitches throughout the lines and complete the flower. At last, in chain 1 space 1 single crochet, in the first chain we have worked slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn, cover the all ends with the needle properly, and this is how you can make a quick flower. And I hope you have enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video, share the video. Bye bye.